Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to increase HUD size on the Nightmares 3. Let's begin! First, you want to go into the settings. Then, you want to go into UHD and the menus. And right under dyslexia font, we have menu text size. And we can just bump it up to increase the, menu text size. But this isn't actually the UHD we can see in game, and truth is that there is no UHD in game. The only thing remotely close to it is the tutorial text that can sometimes appear, and if you want to bump this up, you can do that by increasing the tutorial text size from 1.0 to 1.5 at best. As you can see, there isn't a more bigger version of this. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.